Hi, Gabriel. Yes. Say hello to Daddy. Daddy, Daddy, where are you? I miss you. Daddy.
Well, they're probably, like, I mean, this area has so much nice.
Ngiti ka. Ngiti ka. Tulad ni
But again,
Michael ngumiti. Bilis para makita ni Daddy. Hmm? Oh, ayan. Medyo ganyan natin para hindi makita yung malaking butas ng ilong. Ayun, uy, pakit na. Pakit na. Pakit na.
Can you find the brown crayon, though? Can you find the brown crayon? Which is the brown crayon?
Hihi. 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 Ngiti yan, ngiti. Ngiti na yan. Ngiti na yan. Oh, kita yung dimple niya, oh. Oh, oh.